All right, so Brandy's again going to let us do some trigger point dry needling on her, so we got her cleaned up. And what we're going to do here is we're going to try to stimulate some of the deep spine stabilizing muscles, the multifidi muscle that runs right against the vertebrae itself in the lamina. So I'll kind of feel the spot I'm looking at here. And if you kind of circle around with me. And she'll feel like a little prick when I first go in. As I go in a little deeper, she'll get that kind of heavy, achy sensation. You doing okay? Mm-hmm. And as I actually contact the bone right there, we get that kind of deep, boring sensation right there. So you can think of electricity as kind of the language of muscles, and we're just kind of talking to these. For her, we're trying to stimulate these stabilizing muscles so they're a little more alert and responsive and active. And as it starts to kick on, you can kind of see the needle jumping a little bit. She can feel it a little more so. Feels a bit like a subwoofer in your belly. That's the way I've described it. And then after this, we'll do some more work with her. Cool. Not so bad, right?
No.
Okay, so we're going to do some manipulation on her low back, right where the lumbar spine comes in with the sacrum, the lumbosacral junction. And everybody likes the sound, so I'm going to see if I can't get a little audio of the sound when we do that. Never tried that before. We'll see how that turns out. Okay, that's perfect. Take a break. I hope that turns out really well.